心覺得今日咧，我哋到咗差唔多呢一個睇煙花嘅時間，嗰啲人係多到咧，我唔知點樣講。其實我哋而家係愛揾緊地方去睇煙花嘅，咁樣等一等咧，跟住睇下又睇唔睇到揾到地方睇一睇煙花，真係好多人，真係好多人，真係好多人。你自己而家我俾大家睇一睇而家嘅嗰個狀況係點樣？睇一睇，全部都係人，呢度全部所有都係人，個城堡就喺呢一個位置。係啦，咁而家咧，我哋就喺呢一個位置等，陣間咧就會等呢一個嘅迪士尼樂園嘅煙花咧，就喺度睇啦。但係咧，真係真心覺得係非常多人嘅，而且係我覺得喺呢一個位置睇係好靚嘅，我覺得係好靚啦。但係至於等下夜晚睇到點樣樣，我哋再打算。咁咧，我就好希望可以去晒所有嘅迪士尼啦，即係嚟咗迪士尼之後咧，大家都覺得迪士尼樂園啦，即係話都覺得咧自己係一個小朋友咁樣。咁如果大家有興趣嘅話咧，記得俾翻 comment 喺下面啦。佢30分鐘後先開始喎。係啊，你哋揾位先。而家咧，佢哋呢一個嘅塔咧係有轉公仔嘅，大約佢係8點半。而家嘅時間我俾大家睇一睇，8點10分，所以佢係8點30分先開始有煙花放嘅。好，所以我哋而家咧就係 stand by 緊，因為佢呢個嘅城堡咧係有放嗰個咩嘅，係有放呢一個嘅圖案嘅。
tonight. I lost another fight, lost in myself, but I'm just on again. I keep falling down, I keep on hitting the ground, but I always get up now to see what's next.
可以接着做哈。啊。
Try everything. kiss me, girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, don't be scared. You got the mood prepared. Go on and kiss me, girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, don't stop now. Don't try to hide it now. You wanna kiss me, girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, float along and listen to the song. The song say kiss me, girl. Sha-la-la-la-la, music play. Do what the music say. You wanna kiss me, girl.
大家都睇晒呢一個嘅煙花啦，咁咧嚟到呢度咧，其實我呢一個嘅語音咧唔係喺當場度錄嘅，因為咧我嘅嗰個咪咧就冇咗電，所以咧所以我而家就播翻俾大家啦。咁如果中意我影片嘅話，記得俾個 like 啦。如果有咩想同我講嘅話，可以喺下邊留言。我哋下一條影片見，拜拜。